Adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. So the first thing you've got to do is you've got to get a common denominator. So to get the common denominator, you need to get one of each factor. So you've got x plus 4, x minus 2. So you look at x plus 4 and you say, okay, what do I multiply x plus 4 by to give a denominator of x plus 4, x minus 2? So it's x minus 2. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So you times the top by x minus 2. What do you times x minus 2 by? To give x plus 4, x minus 2, you times it by x plus 4. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So we end up with 3x minus 2 minus 1, x plus 4, and then you go and you expand the top and simplify. You got the 1 denominator. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 2 is 6, 1 times x is minus 1x, minus 1 times 4 is minus 4, x plus 4, x minus 2, 3x minus x is 2x, minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. So you get x plus 4, x minus 2. Okay, looking at this one here, step 1 is to factorise the bottom. So x squared minus 4 is x minus 2x plus 2, minus 2 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. That would be x minus 4, x plus 2. Because the product is 8 and the sum is minus 2. Okay, when you get this common denominator, you need to get one of each factor. So you've got x minus 4, x minus 2, and the x plus 2 is in both of these. So you go x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 4. So then you look at this and you go, all right, this denominator here, x minus 2, x plus 2, what do I multiply that by to give x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 4? You multiply it by x minus 4. So what you do to the bottom, you do to the top. And then this one here, x minus 4x plus 2, x minus 4x plus 2, you multiply it by x minus 2. So now we just have the top line. Let's just rewrite that. And simplifying it by expanding. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times x is minus 2x, minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. We got x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 4, 3x minus 2x is x, minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8. Okay, end up with that on the bottom. Okay, looking at this one, so let's factorise the bottom first. Products minus 8, sums minus 3. So it'll be 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. That's minus 6 plus 3. Minus 1 over 2, x squared minus 9. So it's 5, x minus 6, x plus 3, minus 1 over 2, x minus 3, x plus 3. Okay, common denominator there, pull one of each factor. You notice that x plus 3 is in both of those. You only need to take it once. X minus 6, x minus 3, and don't forget this 2. All right, so when you look at that, what do you do to the bottom? Like, what do you do to this to get this denominator? So the thing that's actually missing is the 2, x minus 3. X minus 6 is there, and x minus 3. So it'll be times 2. What's missing? So this is on the denominator, x plus 3, x minus 6. So 2 and x minus 3. So you multiply this by 2 and x minus 3 to get the same denominator. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So looking at this one, x minus 3, x plus 3, and 2. So the thing that's missing is x minus 6. So you do that to the top and the bottom. 5 2s are 10, x minus 3, minus 1, which is x minus 6. You expand the bracket, 10x minus 30, minus x plus 6. 2, x plus 3, x minus 6, x minus 3, and then you just simplify. 10x minus x is 9x, minus 30 plus 6 is minus 24. So the denominator is x, 2, x plus 3, x minus 6, and x minus 3. And that's simplified. Okay, so with this one here, factorise the bottom, and you get two things that multiply to give 1, that add to give minus 2. 1 and 1. Minus 1 over x minus 2, x plus 1. So your common denominator would be x minus 2, x plus 1. Now, because we have and x minus 1. Actually, I'm going to change this because there's too many factors. I'm going to make that a plus. So it's going to change that to a plus and a minus. All right, so it's going to be x minus 1 will be common in both. So I'll take an x minus 1, and there's going to be no x plus 1. Okay, so factors are x plus 2, that's this one, x minus 1, it's common to both, and now we have this extra x minus 1. So we actually have to take it, it's like x minus 1 squared. So you go, all right, what do I times this by to get that denominator? Well, the thing that's missing is the x plus 2. So you go 1 times x plus 2. What do I times this by to get this denominator? X plus 2, x minus 1. So there's an extra x minus 1. So just note that the denominator, this here is a perfect square, and the denominator must contain the square. So not just one of the factors, you need two. So on top we have 1x plus 2 minus x plus 1 on x plus 2, x minus 1 squared. X minus x is 0, 2 plus 1 is 3. We get x plus 2, x minus 1 squared. And finally, I'm just going to look at this one here. When you get something like this, put it over 1. Common denominator is x minus 3 times 1. So I need to times this one by x minus 3 and this one by 1. So we end up with 7x minus 3 minus 1. 7x minus 21 minus 1 on x minus 3. 7x minus 22 on x minus 3. And that's it.